Miss Rowan is here once again, and I'm going to help you with today's lesson, addition with some practice and some word problems. So last week we talked about what the symbols that we're using when we say addition, and what we mean by addition, which is putting things or putting numbers together, right? Okay, so we're gonna have some activities or some practice, and later on I'm going to discuss with you how we solve word problems that involve addition. Okay? All right, so let's start. You can try there behind the screen at home, and yes, you can write it down on a piece of paper, your answer, or you can whisper it to your friend or to your sister or whoever who's with you at the moment, okay? Yes, now let's begin. 6 plus blank equals 10. What could be the missing number that is equal to 10 when you add something to 6? Can I give you 5 seconds? Okay, there you go. The answer is 4. So 6 plus 4 equals 10. Next. What could be the number that if you add to 2, the answer is 7? Guys, how can you find it out? You can count on, right? I gave you the technique last time that you can count on. So what can be added to 2 that the answer is 7? Put number 2 in your head and then count on with your fingers. Say 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I reached 7 already. So how many do I have in my hands? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Very good. Let's reveal the answer. Yes, it's 5. So 5 plus 2 equals 7. Next one. What is the number that you can add to 9 that the answer is 12? Let's do it. Count on. Put number 9 in your head. Then count on until you reach 12. So 9, 10, 11, 12. How many do I have in my hands? Let's reveal the answer. It's 3. Perfect. Okay. I hope you are catching up, guys. Next one. What can be added to 7 that the answer is 8? So put the number in your head, the one of the add-ins, okay, here. 7, 8. Oh, you've reached 8. So how many do I have in my hands? 1. Perfect. There you go. Next one. Okay. Now, let's move on to the word problems, okay? Now, when we say word problem, guys, that means it is composed of sentences, all right? Sentences. Okay, so word problem, it has sentences. Okay, so you cannot just only see numbers. Okay, let's read the word problem. First step, you have to read it. Okay, let's read. Joe has 3 apples and Anna has 2 apples. How many apples do they have in all? So you have to read. The keyword, the first step is read. Next, identify the given numbers. So you have to look, use your eyes and look for the numbers right in the word problem, okay? So I can see here 3 and 2, okay? So you can also tell yourself, what are those 3? So 3 apples and 2 apples. So I have already identified the given numbers. Next step, you have to find the question and the keyword. So we are going to find the question in the word problem. So in this word problem, the question is, How many apples do they have in all? So that's the question, guys. So my keyword is the one that they will tell me if this is addition or not. Since we're just talking about addition, definitely it's addition. But we have to look for the keywords. So the keywords will be how many and in all. So those are the keywords. If you see words such as how many, in all, or even all together, or some, remember, it will tell you or they will tell you that you have to do addition. So think about the operation to be used. Operation is what you should do. Are you going to add or are you going to take away, which is later on? But some of you, I know that you know already what takeaway is, but we are still in addition. So our operation is addition, correct? Now, so going back to the word or to the word problem, Joe has 3 apples and Anna has 2 apples. How many apples do they have in all? So you're going to do addition, correct? Yes. Okay, so solve the problem. You may get a piece of paper and then write the numbers that you've seen a while ago. It's there. Guys, you can do it vertically or horizontally. If we are solving, I suggest you do it vertically so you can see all the numbers. And it will help you add bigger numbers later on. Okay? Now, so put the addends together up and down. And put the symbol right here on the left. Then you put the line under the addends. This line is also called equals, okay? This is an equal sign as well. And then the answer is right there at the bottom. So 3 plus 2 equals 3 plus 2 equals 5. Very good. Remember the technique that I've told you as well before? Put the bigger number in your head, which is number 3. And then you put the smaller number in your hands and count on. So 3, 4, 5. So 5 apples. And last but not least, you have to write the complete answer. So you have to write 5 apples. Okay, there you go. I hope you're able to learn how to solve a word problem. Okay? Let's try. Remember, first step, read the problem. Second